Mindmag is our magnesium formulation that is specifically designed to help get magnesium into the brain. Now this is important because in the brain, magnesium is a very important micronutrient for things like energy, stress, mental clarity, and even sleep. Take 2 capsules of Mindmag per day. You can either take this before bed to support sleep quality, or you can try taking it earlier in the day to support cognitive function. When we consume Mindmag, because of the type of magnesium that it contains, the magnesium will actually travel to the brain, cross our blood-brain barrier, and get into the brain. And so once it's there, magnesium goes throughout the entire brain and acts in a very important manner as a micronutrient to do some of the important functions of magnesium in the brain. So things like controlling stress, improving sleep, and even supporting memory. Now, another really interesting thing with Mindmag is that because it's formulated with what we call Magnesium L-Threonate, so this is a specific type of magnesium, this is actually what allows that entry of magnesium into the brain, because it's very interesting. We have what's called threonate naturally present in our cerebral spinal fluid. And so because of this, you can think of it as a carrying or a transport mechanism. So it's able to then carry the magnesium and actually get it into the brain, in comparison to other types of magnesium, which are actually not very good at entering the brain. Because of the important roles of magnesium in the brain, Mindmag is able to improve our ability to cope with stress. It's also able to improve our sleep quality. And perhaps most interestingly is that Mindmag, again, because of the important roles of magnesium in the brain, it's actually able to support memory and learning. And so there's some very interesting research performed with the exact same ingredient in Mindmag, known as magtine. This is the patented name of the ingredient, magtine. And in the research, we find that consistent supplementation with magtine is actually able to lead to noticeable and dramatic improvements in memory and learning in elderly individuals. The main benefits of taking Mindmag are an improvement to our tolerance to stress. We might feel improvements to sleep quality. We can feel more relaxed, an improved ability to recall facts and information, especially when we're under stress, and it can lead to improvements in memory and learning. We can also see improvements with our daily mood and even mental health, and this includes things like anxiety and symptoms of depression. Anyone who's under a lot of stress or even anxiety or symptoms of low mood and depression can benefit from consistent supplementation with Mindmag. In addition to this, anyone who wants to see improvements to sleep quality, or even individuals who suffer from headaches, since consistent magnesium supplementation has been shown to help with this. Mindmag can also support recovery from concussion, and this is because after a traumatic brain injury or concussion, there's about a 50% decrease in the levels of magnesium in the brain, and the scientific research shows that if we either replenish magnesium levels after the injury or even make sure we get enough before the injury, this might be a good strategy to support brain recovery.